an intense singing session, do you ever feel like your voice is a little bit tired or strained? Well, just like athletes cool down after a workout, singers need to cool down their voice too. Whether you just finished a long rehearsal, a performance, or even if your voice feels a little bit tired, this cool down routine is super easy and you don't need a piano. Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence. I am a singing teacher and vocal coach. And today we are talking about vocal cool down. If you want more vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. First thing first, what is a vocal cool down? A vocal cool down is a gentle way to bring back your voice in a relaxed state after singing. First up, the humming. Keep your lips closed and feel the vibrations in the front of the face, on your lips and nose. Say, hmm. And now, slide down. Keep your jaw relaxed, your face relaxed. Slide down gently. Keep it light. Next, one of my fave vocal exercise, straw phonation. If you have a straw, grab it. If you don't have a straw, just do this. Put your straw into your lips. Glide up and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale in the straw. Inhale. Straw phonation is one of the best vocal recovery exercise. Now let's loosen up even more with lip trills. Relax your lips and let them vibrate as you blow air through them. Sing a note and glide up and down, like this. Don't push the lip trill. Great. This helps release tension and reset your voice. Take a big yawn and feel the openness in your throat. It feels good. Let's do it again. As you exhale, sigh down gently. This is a great exercise to release vocal tension. Now let's reset our vocal cords with vocal fry. Start by letting out a soft, creaky sound like this. That's weird. This should feel easy and relaxed. Don't force vocal fry. Now, let's slide. Vocal fry relax your vocal cords and gently reconnect them without tension. Last exercise, whoo slide. So we start in head voice, whoo, 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 and we slide down. Whoo, very slowly. Whoo. We can add vocal fry. Keep it soft and effortless. Hmm. 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 That's it, your vocal cool down is complete. Your voice should now feel relaxed, free, and refreshed. Tell me, which exercise helped you the most? I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. A great cool down can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. You should cool down right after singing. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. You can also check out my other vocal warm-ups just here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.